Hi and welcome to the Trending Today. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern region. First, let us start with politics. Former Minister Solomon Dalon said President Tinubu cannot silence them by arresting Professor Usman Yusuf. Similarly, former Kaduna State Governor Nasuru El-Rufai has intervened in the dispute between National Security Advisor Malam Nuhu Ribadu and former Police Service Commission member Hajia Naja'atu Mohammed. Nasuru El-Rufai accusing Nuhu Ribadu for memory loss. Now, insecurity, gunmen attacked three communities in October local government area of Benue State. The gunmen invaded the communities on Tuesday and returned back on Wednesday night, firing sporadically and forced the residents to flee into the forest. Similarly, suspect arrested over killing of trader in Abuja on Wednesday. Now humanitarian, US gave Nigeria $1.2 billion in 2023 and $100 million in 2024. What was this money used for? You can share your view in the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share. Like us in Facebook. Follow us in X. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next. Bye.